Hi everyone, it's Nick from Printerbase taking a look at the Dell C3760dn 35 page per minute colour printer. This machine doesn't appear to have the exposure it deserves, so hopefully this video will help make customers aware of just how good it is. The first thing to advise you to do is forget about quoted resolutions because these can be misleading, so although Dell say it does 600 by 600 dpi, we can confirm that print quality is exceptional. Obviously you can't tell from this video just how good these are, so call our sales team or complete our online print sample request form and we'll post some out to you free of charge. Another important fact about the Dell C3760 range is the cost of toners. If you opt for the standard yield toners, unsurprisingly it gives you a high cost per page. But if you plan to put lots of work through the machine, Dell also have high yield toners, which makes it extremely competitive. Now you'll notice that Dell have two versions of this machine, the C3760n and C3760dn. These are identical in every respect apart from the added benefit of auto double-sided printing if you opt for the DN configuration. And now I want to take you for a tour around the machine. Hi, first off I've just sent a print job to the machine. There you go, I wanted to show this a little bit of a close-up really, just to show you how good the print quality is, but again, get in touch and we can post it out to you. And that was printing from USB stick, which is easy to do and you can print PDFs and things like that from it. As well as USB stick, you can print from an Android phone using the Dell app. I'm not going to show you that now, but get in touch if you want to see it and we can hopefully walk you through that. Now, as well as printing from USB and from Android, you have also got the ability to print from Windows, Mac, Linux, Unix, Citrix. That's thanks to both PCL and True Adobe PostScript built in, so it really is good for everyone. So let's show you around the machine. So you've got a 150 sheet multi-purpose feeder and a 550 sheet paper tray. So this will hold a full ream of paper. Now if that's not enough, you can add an additional 550 sheet tray underneath. So I'm going to show you a bit more about this machine now. So first of all, I'm going to switch off the machine. So on the right, on the hand side here, you've got the power switch. It's a little bit more quiet now so we can talk. I'm going to unplug it so I can spin the machine round. Okay, so first off, at the front of the machine is a panel. When you pull it down, these are the toners. Now our machine is quite messy, it has done a lot of printing and it's been carted around quite a bit. So the toner's got all over, but hopefully that won't put you off. So the toner cartridges, very easy to take out and replace. There we go. It's a lot easier when you're stood right in front of the machine, but I want you to be able to see what I'm doing, so apologies for this. So you can see they're all the same. They're very, very easy to take out and exchange. On the right hand side of the machine next, this is a panel. Behind the panel you've got the waste toner bottle. This fills up with toner and once it's full you throw it in the bin or recycle it and get a new one from Dell. Behind the waste toners are the imaging units, which again slide out and replace very, very easily. And just in case you get a print quality issue, you've got a little cleaning rod here. This cleans the optics, quite easy to do. Let's put the waste cartridge back in. As I say, you can get these either from Dell, but we hope that you get them from the Printerbase website. Okay, so let's show you around the back of the machine. So power cable here, network connectivity, USB connectivity, and you can buy a wireless adapter that plugs in there. At the back, this folds down and you've got your fuser unit. It does get quite warm, and you get the transfer roller. You shouldn't need to replace them, they are spare parts, but you might get a paper jam Probably won't, but if you do, easy to fix. You can just open here and pull it out. On the left hand side you've got this panel. Now when you unscrew and open, you've got a board here and you can add extra memory if you wish to do so. We haven't bothered on our machine. So let's close that back up again. And then looking at the front, just one other panel really that you probably wouldn't even know was there. If you open this panel, this one opens. The belt is under here. Now this is a spare part. You should never need to get access to it. You won't get a paper jam in here. The paper doesn't go in here. But I just wanted to show it you because the panel's there to have a look at. Close everything back up. I think that's pretty much everything talked about, but if you've got any further questions, you can either go on our website, www.printerbase.co.uk, there's brochures and there's print sample forms to fill in there, or give our sales team a call on 0800 170 7234. I'm Nick, and thanks for watching.